radio no. Honorable, good morning.
Morning.
Now who you there?
Onyamia do no papa.
Yeda okropon ase. Yete ye ho nka ache.
Oh, nyamia o meso.
Right. Honorable, yanhwa lithium ho nsensem yi anya bia yate se sabre yatwe ya withdraw every parliament. Ede ne si ye bill ne na enye ana de ne wo munti a yatwe afiri na afa ye momura nsemu ni nkomo.
Asema ubuta no. De ma me me ya.
Sa. Ye nso nwanwa se bill ye review ne kama
enye bill agreement
ya review, excuse me, sorry, agreement ya review ne kama atnase sabio ye beka nse nimdifo ahyehye na akowura mu senka ye begia tum na afi de ya sa akotwe afiri ho no ye nso nwanwa nti na me ye bisa ne sa
so you say so boda mi kwan nti to sana age
Honorable, what's it?
Minister na de buy. Minister na sign agreement. No de bamla to bedjum. Emre wo man mu ne say minister bia wo sign agreement e pa guji bi ho a. Babram la to bedjum. Namla she bedja enyum asan na edimi. Enu no ye. And one corner or by and was officer we free for. Now, or Sunday for proba. Ubi and Jimmy Sinopine, because Yambra was a power. You're standing on the Salama Price, a member of parliament, a minister, and now constitutional body at the paper be bar a fear. Now, one person was a power. So house on the man of Queen. No, yes, and yeah, motion purpose we on house and I just use the amount of Queen. So, I'm not sure about your man, and I would use for.
Honorable, I mean, in agreement, you've had access to Mwashimu Kakrani Adia. Na the agreement ni nyina so ne say na ye nya sen na afrim lithium ni ye tu ne sen kiremu kakra kire ye tiefo a wo mutie
lithium no agreement enye agreement if free baby and buy Nemo ay agreement e wo nyina so. Agreement ni nyina so no e Mineral Mining Act. 2006.
Okay.
Act 703. Ndiye wo ba ma se ba dwam o de ba ma se ba dwam si en ratify. En ye ba ba hwe. Se sambra no a wo gyina so a wo guarantee mining rights because I don't want to minister no kwan say or grant mining rights. And the ever say and she say Matabaja aye. I was having one. A man of common agreement, Ujina or Mampanina no mining in agreement. Would you say no so? The Casabia when you apply for license no or apply we oguna taase na so apply or hina or what the chrono so no e wo se ye de atase ko a nipa na okeko tu agudi no e wo so wodene no ye de ko kire no no hwe se baby a nipa na okeko tu agudi no ho enye asan enye kuro na asan ye ho enye kuro no sa mampo honye duty te wenu bia ni honoma no hina ta se o mini ho asim bia akre ye fese minister wo di kan hyehyɛ no so ye so mfa kratel bi nkwa hempie o mfa nkɔ this assembly o di so asase ade ode ma no I was at the Castiano Embro do thing. Would you so? In fear to do saying, I was at the minister start MPD. Would you so? And then I am like a beggar for yet. It is agreement will be a woman piano. I was a cool form to Marano.
Okay.
And now, your man has a couple about one about royalties. Yeah, Abana was sermon, MPP Aban, yeah, Joy and said, or the agreement by on Lithium. And now, okay, royalty
royalties near saying
10%.
10%. Okay.
Yes, 10%. That's a card was a hundred to the back. It is cut at the month. Now, and so, Yambrana. What year you know for the agreement? Emrano man of cancer or yet 10%.
Emrabea.
Minerals and mining act no.
Act no.
Act now would you have to your agreement no? You are setting up royalty room.
Act saying
703.
But
and the amended as amended. By 9794. And your council amended with 900.
900.
The Oko 703 now. I had to say, Mina royalty, you know. I was a apostle 6%.
But honorable, who agree with me, say, if an act is amended, the current amendments, stand so much powerful than the previous one.
Yes, to go as well, to go to Basia, to Basia, and I be who Jamaican.
Meet you.
Memoir in Yamati, besides a cheerful to
sure.
Then a bit on the who stand yet here.
Tinmania Brahma pan.
703, no, I can say. Apostle Pa, okay, yeah, 6%. And a little back from extra 3%. 703 the enemy. And now 794 be amended. And then flat rate for 5%. And a 900 no bad can say. After the my presence the year before. Name minister no nyambra. Now want say royalty rate. Now copy say minister no be ya samra for me. 5% no be ya adwuma. Ato se ne minister bia nye royalty law for bia. It is a 5% and a year juma.
But
when we are mra chebe na ase. And agreement yaba. Agreement no bad. Agreement no se ni na for minerals and mining as amended.
But
and what is 10% yaba? Yes, 10% in your paper. It is kadu do beba. Ibenya bia use am ya manfo, ibenya bia kwa am ya manfo. Ibenya bia chai alsabia. E dia am ya manfo. But ye ntimi nche mranka say ye nyesin ne ye ne korona say muso ntimi ni sa kwana kwose samra no ne che emra fofo le ka say royalty rate 10%. There is any agreement in the na pe na agreement in the na nyina ko wo mram. But
honorable yenim say act once yebe pass a ebetiki effect na ye de ye adwuma ne de e supersede any other authority be a free baby abase minister anyese wa anyese because act 900 na me read amount act 900 minerals and mining amendment act 2015 act 900 or say royalty shall be at the rate and in the manner that may be prescribed and sir we know there's no upper limit. And then the government can negotiate any royalty rate.
There's a savings clause. Savings clause.
Yeah, I'm also opening it. And it's a way we are clear I mean, I'm not clear. All right. To assume me be hono. Okay. Also royalties. Okay, I want the 3. Okay. Me searching me I'm just opening to that page, you know. Enti so far no baby amugina how many percent?
So you say yen timi shamra na yen ye mumra no so. Enti minister ko a we the agreement bia bebe bia no. E was a conform to the law. But omam desi an Ghana for ana o ma mu ni nyina e pe royalty kete because you see minerals na etu o ma mu ye nyam fast for kete bia wo so. And the same you know ye pe ye be nyam fast kete e wo agudie so e wo man mu. It was the 10% in a bar, you need your pa. With the 15% buy a pepper, with the 20% buy a pepper. Pamela, yes, man.
Okay, me pesa Eugene for 3
yes,
based on the 3 no.
Yes, Honorable Collins Dauda. Let's do a bit of exercise here. OSHA 2006 Act now. When it comes to section 25, when it comes to the percentage, now you're between 3 and 6%.
Yes,
the upper threshold being 6%. Yes. Then the amendment in 2010, I want to read for you. Can say a holder of a mining lease, restricted mining lease, or small scale mining lease shall pay royalty in respect of mining obtained from its operations to the Republic at the rate of 5%. So the 5% was introduced in 2010. And 2006 was 3 to 6%, 2010 was 5%. Then 2015, the Benya Act 900, you know, this is what the law said. A holder of a mining lease or small scale mining lease shall pay royalties in respect of mining operations. In respect of mining operations, pay royalty to the public at the rate and in the manner that may be prescribed. So the operative word there is that may be prescribed. That is the MPP's argument that they may be prescribed is determined by the minister, and the minister determined 10% under them. So why are you varying that as may be prescribed? No, now we are say 5%, but maybe no 5%.
What kind prescribed on our saying? As prescribed, as I said.
So as prescribed is basically discretionary.
That means that you have to do it by law. And because the same 900, there's a savings provision. Yes, just a computer, minister instrument, beba asset up a rate, you know. The old law prevails, the old rate prevails. Go back to the 900. And read the whole 900. Look at the savings. There's a savings provision in 900, and can't find that one.
But Honorable, Omo say if there was a new or a directive the minister should bring to Parliament and sana agreement as suffice, maybe from 5%, you have 2/3 of Parliament almost, or even more. It's then a stop all this important bill because chiefs and kasa omo kaso mutimi nkofu ya jomo nsa say what stop the NDC from
yiri minister nyambra fama no nkase and royalty rate enya 5% bim nemu 6%, 7%, 10%. Na se nya ashamra na se momo so so say yemu so a hey Moko Fatima, none Rasabajan 5 na was.
It's honorable. Now 10 and the MPP. They are copious document. Amoka saying or form dodo. That's the position of the NDC. Actually, in 2023, I'm releasing statement under the hand of.
It is never true.
Oh, honorable.
Never true.
Honorable 20. Mami read him out. When it comes to what the NDC said, and I'm quoting graphic on the lithium there.
Graphic never Rasabajan.
Oh, but that's the position of your party.
Wait. The agreement was laid in Parliament and referred to a committee, and I was on the committee. There was no day we said 10% yellow. All we said was that minister take steps to amend the law.
Honorable, my question, I didn't quote. No, Honorable, you agree with me that it is a party that forms the government. So if the party in opposition takes a certain position, then they come to government. That's our party.
Government now, if I come here and say a party and I say a party member being a client.
Okay, so I'll say Lithium, they review laws on mining green minerals in Ghana, NDC to government. What kind of full statement now? The communication officer said that the 10% was low. In fact, there's video evidence on Asempe from Unswa or cancer. So the only question I'm asking is 10% in our form. Now, obviously, I'm in the bill now.
You can't hang that one around my neck. Me kasa se mlate bejani. Wo frame se mlate bejani. Wo introduce me as mlate bejani.
Yeah, honorable. Anything me busa say, oh yeah, mlate bejani. Oh Ghana.
Mlate bejani from your perspective as mlate bejani for na make control no.
Okay, and honorable from my perspective no, mo sha sign na new arrangement no ye benya wom because we ya for tie obi are interested in the new agreement sha sign ye betimi.
Chairman minister no find a law no. Minister na di ka frame most central for e dey atum anim so o sambra no. Wa man indication what he wants. The matter from San Central say obey if I say back at a flat rate of 5% no or better no. Minimum say minimum say bia gold bo 1,000 to 2,000 e be 5%. The 2,000 to 4,000 e be obey 8%. More than that 10%. From range be more than 10%. So as the gold price moves up, now royalty no cost.
Okay.
Well, no gold bought $4,000, but they are still paying the 5%.
Oh, okay. Until we share no kana, we energy studies are the rate will be pegged at the price.
The price, the prevailing price.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's a lithium cosra rate in the cosro. Lithium boba for my rate in the baba.
Kapepe, Tikaneka gold to walk 4,000 and Kiberi making a lot of revenue. That's the new thinking.
Okay. Enti honorable finally. Momo wamra shebe de fi na hwe o mai ba bia yegina no a. Na ama specific limit as to all fixed rate no say per amendment no. And Kaufi say if you are advising the minister right now, percentage saying Kaufi saying kebe boy pa.
Anafo. Ala na pesa ututu abnormal na
Ora was madam for no.
Ora what to say o gba ma ho abetem say abnormal be ni we say.
Ora madam for no.
Hey.
So minimum so pegana yi so edinka minister tia
minister no pa one pa na bra no bra
one here no akofa be 7% pe
o mature do ko pe for year at least I've given you indication I don't know untia na won kan no ho ata na akoka bibi popro mama indication or no minister na kata my indication wa friends and crop for memu lo ja to mo nim say and the price rate one pa nya adwuma. I said your pay for yearly. Or the rate reflecting the prices of gold or minerals in the country.
Right. Honorable, finally, lithium we say it me go through our bedroom. Ghana, how do we stand to can say benefits a woman? At the same ma wo man no mo am wo mra hye mem se mo awe ni nyina ne ade ade uni se esi yesumu edi mo achi bomu chi doma mu di se adwuma
mpaso bebrebe wo
okay
mpaso bebrebe ta no ane ade ba se ji faso bebrebe wo
e bi ye den bo bi so kire
man ma tell me say lithium ye ade battery enti wompaso e benya no e bebrebe wo ma kata cho ana
na honorable
many and anopel 10 o'clock many stakeholders imani aye ya kwa koshia o lithium na maji omo so aden kre
aka ho okay
say how ma menko
na wakoji bi aka ho
enchiamu no bi a that for minister and the law for bambut masa premier asata
but honorable yeah that's it. Okay, Honorable Collins Dauda, no fantastic man. MPS TV South. And then the country in Kobono. Papa, we need to come on.